Tired of a messy TradingView chart hindering your trading decisions? Say goodbye to visual clutter and hello to a fresh start. Today, we're diving into how to effortlessly reset your TradingView chart to its pristine default settings, clearing all those accumulated indicators, drawings, and customizations in just a few simple steps. This is your secret weapon for decluttering your workspace and reevaluating your trading strategies with a clean slate. Let's get started. First, locate the chart settings icon. It looks like a small gear, usually found in the top toolbar of your chart, typically on the right side. Click on that gear icon to open the chart settings menu. You'll see several tabs here, but for our purpose today, we're going to focus on the Delete tab. Within the Delete tab, you'll find two crucial options designed for a complete reset. C. Delete all drawings. This will remove every trend line, Fibonacci retracement, annotation, and any other visual mark you've added. Next, and just as importantly, you'll find the Delete all indicators button. Clicking this will remove every single technical indicator that's currently applied to your chart. To execute the reset, click on both Delete all drawings and then Delete all indicators. Once you've selected these actions, ensure you click the OK or Apply button at the bottom of the settings window to confirm your choices. And just like that, your TradingView chart is back to its default, clean state. No more distractions, perfect for a fresh perspective, and ready for you to build your new trading setup or reanalyze a familiar strategy from scratch. Mastering this simple reset function will save you time and enhance your trading analysis. Happy charting!